Good evening, teacher, and hello everyone. Now I'm gonna talk a topic about the OIC University. We can call the Khmer language Rimdesapir Cambodia. So this is my partner. His name Mekara. Yes, and now he want to ask some question to me. Hello, Mekara. Do you want to ask me some question?
Yes, the third question. Can you tell what OIC University is?
Okay, this university is a good university and have many teachers, have quality to teach of students in here, and he also have many experience to share ring to other student, and the student always come to study OIC in this university too. Yes, you can go on.
Thank you. The second question: what is the main role of the OIC University?
The roles of university, a lot of students come from anywhere can to study at here. So the student come to the province or come to the other province can to study OIC University, like the rules or have many subjects, yes, to study, and have many programs to study in this university.
Thank you. The basics teaching, does the university do anything? Yes.
Like under university, but have a special the teaching of my teacher or under teacher. He have to quality to teaching the student. He has many experience and he finished to study about a lot of school and abroad to study at another country. So when he come, he have many experience to teach the student, easy to understand and success in their lives.
Yes. How does OIC University have the student outside at the classroom?
OIC, the university have many programs for the student come to study and have many subjects to support the student, and the student can have opportunity to study abroad, and when finish this university can go outside to teach, to sharing the knowledge, their knowledge to other student, and can find somebody to support in their lives.
Yes, thank you. Why do any student choose OIC University?
Why the student always choose the university OIC to study all the subjects because they always think they will have many successful in life and have opportunity to study abroad. So this university focus on the abroad to study and have many system to support the student and have the student to work in pair or work in group, and when finish this school they always have many work to get and to do.
Thank you. What advice do you have for new students?
My advice, I want to tell the student, or I guess advise some the student want to study in this university. You can complete yourself, and when you come in here, you need to review the lesson, review the subject that he's come to do the exam before they come in here to study. They need to review the lesson to test the subject and can to join to study. So I suggest the student, or my advice, the student before to study in here need to study hard before come to study in here, because this school is so strict for the student, and so for the exam it's so hard for to join to study. But when he study, he always have ability to study in under subject or in society.
Thank you. The last question.
Yes.
Why is OIC University important for Cambodia?
This we can call OIC. The name of University Cambodia is to a big city, a big university in Cambodia. When have a big program from the government or others have function in society, they need to sign and allow this from the school and can allow to do something that they do. Like government always to do the sign when the country has problem with another country is same. Yes, our government he always get the success from the school. The teacher always gives advice, good advice to the government. So the school allow the Khmer literature is a big. So the student when they finish at school, they always have a good job and always do a big job in society. And also the school allow the Khmer literature to use in our country. Yes.
Thank you, Labong Shipper, very much, and you give experience to learn in OAC University to me and to everyone.
Yes, it's okay. And right now we gotta go and we finish the talking. Yes. So goodbye everyone, and thank you so much for my teachers. Yes, thank you.